In this video, I'll be showing you how to make a folder observer with Python. So here you can see that on the left side, the terminal, I have run the folder observer.py file, and here my downloads folder and another PDF folder is here. So if I shift the PDF folder to the downloads folder, it doesn't stay there, it again comes back to the PDFs folder. So in this way we can set the destinations for all types of files, and the files will be transferred to their destinations after download. So let's get into it. At first we have to import some modules. I've imported time, OS shuttle, time color for coloring, time for short breaks, and OS and shuttle for moving the files. Then the next step is setting up some variables. The image extensions and video extensions are set because there are lots. So here the common extensions are set. You can set all the extensions if you want. Then we've set the destinations for different types of folder. Here's zip, images, PDFs, HTML documents, and different types, videos, text file, apps, etc. You can set as much as you need or as much as you want. Then defining the function. I've defined a function that distinguishes between different types of files in the given folder and sends them to their desired destination. At first, I've named the function as automated file transfer, and it takes a parameter origin. Origin is the path of the folder from which we want to transfer the files. So I'll loop through the files and folders in the origin with os.listdir. Then I divide the file name and file extension and set them to variables. Then I set up a try block so that the function doesn't break with unwanted errors. Then if statements for distinguishing between different types, and shuttle.move for moving the files. And if any error occurs, it will output in the terminal that an error occurred, could not move the file, with the color yellow. Then we check the function, and it worked for me. You can check it for yourself. If it doesn't work, rewatch the video and check your code, because if you follow along, your code should work. Then for clean code purpose, we make another file, naming it folderobserver.py, and import time, import automated file transfer function from the previous file, and we have to install a package that is Watchdog, which will observe our file system and notify us on different events. So from watchdog.observers we import the observer class, and watchdog.events we import pattern matching event handler, and from time color we import colored for coloring the output. Then we set up the event handler. The event handler is used for getting notified on different events happened on the given file or folder. So here all patterns have been selected. Files with all types of patterns will be observed. So star is used. And we will ignore no patterns, so ignore patterns variable is a blank string. Ignore directories is false. It will even observe the directories and notifications will be given on any events happen on the directories too. And I am using Windows, so my directories will be observed as case sensitive, so I have set the case sensitive to false. And lastly, my event handler and all the variables have been given as parameters. Then I set up the path. Let us define 4 different functions: onCreated, onDeleted, onModified, and onMoved. These functions are the main functions that will work for transferring our files on different events. If any new folder or file is created in the downloads folder, it will give an update on the terminal. It's created, hey, the file name has been created with green color, and we are not running any transfer function on created because it may hamper our program. And always after creation of any file, modification and moving occurs. So we are not running the file transfer function at once after creating. We'll run the function on modification and on move. And the delete function is for notification of deleting any file, and unmodified and unmoved are defined so that it notifies after any modification and moving of any file. Here renaming and else like that are included. So we run the automated file transfer function and give the path to it so that the function runs properly, and our work is done. And you can see a split file path here, so that the file here is, the whole path is not selected and printed out in the terminal. I have selected the last element of the splitted path, that is the name, and it will print out the name. Then the last part here, my event handler is the instance of the pattern matching event handler class, and it has some methods like onCreated, onDeleted, onModified, and moved. And here I have set that if the methods run, means if they notify that any event has run, the subsequent function will also run and our file will be transferred and we'll get our outputs on the terminal. Then we set up the observer, make an instance of the observer class, and we schedule the observer with my event handler and the path, and recursive is equal to true, so that it monitors all the subfolders and files of downloads folder. Then we set up a try block, and before that we start the my observer, we start the method, start, then a try block so that we can stop the program with a keyboard interrupt, that is Ctrl+C, and a time block sleep of 1, so it takes a rest a bit. And if keyboard interrupt happens, we stop the observer and join it. And finally, here we can see different types of output. On move, it shows on delete, it shows on create, it shows on modification, and all. And the actual work will be done on the folder. You can check it. Please like, share, and subscribe. See you again in the next video.